Hi, it's Paige from Kyloe Partners. This is just a quick video to demonstrate how we can use Kyloe AwesomeDocs to generate a contract. We can then use our DocuSign integration to send that out, and the signed contract will then be returned straight back into Bullhorn. So for today, we're going to generate a contract from a point of placement. We're using a placement as that means we get access to lots of different information. We can access details on the candidate record, the vacancy, the contact, the company, and of course the placement. So to access Kyloe AwesomeDocs, we just go up to the Actions tab, we drop that down, and we open up AwesomeDocs. We're then going to be met with a list of templates, and we simply select the one that we wish to use. For today, we're going to be sending a contract to our candidate, so we select the candidate schedule, and we let that load up. What that's doing in the background is that it's now looking at the template that's been built, it's figuring out what information it needs to pull to Bullhorn, and pulling that information into the contract. As you can see, it's now opening up into Word for us, and that means we have the ability to make any changes we wish to make. So, on the left here, we can see our title page. This is simply just branded to our branding, the title of the document, and today's date. On the right here, we have the contract. We have all of this information that's been pulled in from Bullhorn fields, and we have the ability to make any changes that we wish to make, add in any special terms, make any changes, all of that. We can, if I scroll down, see here that we have our DocuSign table. This then has areas of code bin behind it that's going to talk to DocuSign and tell it where the signatures need to go. We can also password protect aspects of this document so that I cannot change them unless I have the password. If I've made any changes and I'm now happy with my document, I simply click the Save button in the top left-hand corner and I exit out. I then want to save an unsigned copy of this document to Bullhorn, so I click the Save with the little cloud next to it. To send it out for signature, it's as simple as clicking the Send envelope next to the little DocuSign logo. If I drop down this cog, it might explain slightly better what's happening. Here we have the ability to check the recipients and check that they're correct and in the correct order. We can also add additional people to be recipients if we need to, and we can preview the email body here as well. That contract has now been generated and sent out for signature in a couple of clicks. Once signed, it will also be sent back into Bullhorn on the Placement Files tab.